My name is Saroj Khan and I choreograph songs. I have experience of, you can call it 67 years, because I started my career at the age of 3. When I was 3 years old, my mother saw me making hands in shadow. She was pregnant second time, and the doctor who was looking after her belonged to film industry. So my mother took me to that doctor and said, I think this child of mine is retarded, because she looks at the shadow and God knows what she does with her hands and all that. He played music and I did something like that. And he says, this child is normal, but only thing is she wants to dance and you all are poor people. Why don't you put her in film industry? Saying, okay, I know people who come to ask whether they have a child who will do baby roles. Then I'll suggest her name. Will you allow her to do it? Saying, well, we do not know anything. If you suggest, we will do it. Saying, yes, and you'll get money. That's how I came into the film industry. And from there, my career started as a child star. Then the age came to 9 and 10 when you're not required in child roles, neither in any elder roles. So I became a background dancer. I used to dance very well, but I had no master. I had no formal training. Then the period came when Madras masters started coming to Bollywood. Their style of dance was very different, very hard, very fast. That I picked up very well. But none of the masters liked girls with short hair. I used to call myself Anglo-Indian because I used to do Western dances, jiving, rock and roll, acrobatics. I never danced Indian. So I was in Western group and they all rejected Western group. When Asha picture was being made and Ina Meena Dika, which was done in Hindi, was being done in Tamil. And they wanted two girls who would do acrobatics. Me and a girl called Gemma in Western. We both used to do cartwheels and jumps and all that. So they called us. And we both did the cartwheel very well. So Masterji gave us a very good clapping and said, very good girls. So I said, Masterji, call us for a dance number now. So he looked at me and he says, oh, you are Western. Go, go, go. You're not wanted. I got so hurt. I went to his assistant and told him what is his problem. Saying, no, if you want to pass in his group, you have to make one plait, you have to put tika, you have to wear sari and come. So I did that. And I got entry in his group in 30 girls. In that, he gave me a movement on knees, which I did very well from all the girls. So he called me and he says, you're such a good dancer. Where have you been? But me, with my big mouth, I back answered him and I said, I was under your nose, but you did not see me. And very next day, my father died. I didn't ask for permission. I just left the song and went to the hospital. When I came back, he told me, he says, go and join the group. But my group who was dancing with me all went one side and said, we won't dance with her because she did not cry for father. She did not go for the burial. Masterji that time took my side. He says, she'll be the only one who will be dancing and you all can walk out. Or give your 1 day's payment to her. She'll sit at home and cry for 7 days. I said, you don't do this. I'm ready to go home. And I went away. Then he came back again after 3 months. He wanted 2 girls to dance with Helen. He didn't remember my name, but he told the supplier whose father died, just call that girl and Gemma. And he kept us with Helen doing a dance number. But me, instead of remembering my movement, I was doing Helen's dance. He looked at me, he stopped the music and he said, "You come here." He said, "Oh, if I tell you to dance the whole thing, Helen's movement, you'll do it." Saroj required that. So I said, "Yes, Masterji." Saying, "Then do that full dance." So I did full Helen's dance without learning. The very next thing, second day shooting, he used to tell Helen, "Now this girl will dance, and now you see, and now you dance like her." And immediately he made me his assistant. At the age of 12, I was teaching Helen, I was teaching Vijayanti Mala, I was teaching many of the artists. For 5 years he taught me. And in those 5 years, I learned, I polished my dance, and I became the best dancer in the whole of the industry. But I didn't know how to compose, how to become a choreographer. That happened as an accident. My master had to go for Sangam shooting. And there was a song for which he had already taken the money. And same date he went away to Europe. He was doing Mera Prem Patra Padkar, that song. And Raj Kapoor was shooting with these people whose money he had already taken and gone. Rawal Brothers, Dil Hi To Hai, Raj Kapoor, Nutan. It was a Qawwali sequence. Now the producer said, "I will not call another master. You are the assistant, me. You have to compose." P.L. Santoshi met me and said, you know what your master does, na? I said, "Yes." Saying, "Okay, now I'll play the song. Whatever the song says, how your master will do, you tell me." Now the word is nigahe. How will you show it? I said, if my master was there, he would do like this, or like this, or like this. Saying, "That's good. Now hold on to this. Nigahe milane ko ji chahata hai." Now you made a sentence. Now make the song. It was so easy. I was stupid. Why didn't I realize? So what I did, I told him, I said, "Now you're my guru. Now I'll compose the song." And from there, I knew what was choreography at the age of 14. Because my son was born to me at the age of 14. I got married at the age of 13 to my own master. When my son was born, and my man said he will not give me the name for my son, so I went apart from him. I broke up the relation. I had only my son with me, and I wanted to live life as I wanted. And I became a group dancer again. I went to other master for assistancy, and I was looking after my child. Sadhana helped me to become a choreographer. She got me the card, and in her own picture, she gave me a break. That was called Geeta Mera Naam. That's how my choreography started. But I was not very popular because I was doing day-night shooting. But nobody accepted me as a choreographer because I was a female. And that time, the rule was no one can be a dance master except a man. Then I got a break with Hema Malini, Dharminder. That was first time I got big picture, Pratigya. After that, I started getting big movies. But then came Tezab. That was Ek Do Teen, which made me never look back. After Tezab, I said, I will only take 1 lakh, then only I'll do a song number. Do a good job and you get good money. That's how we improvised on songs. It became a turning point for everybody in the film industry, that people started noticing songs. They started sitting and pictures started running on songs. And that picture ran only for that one song. And Filmfare opened their gates from their side for choreography. And I was the first one to receive that Filmfare Award. Plus, I was the first one also to receive National Award. I got my first award in 89. Again, 90, I got one award for Chalbaz. 90 for Sailab. 92, again, I got for Beta. 93, I got for Khalnaik. I was in a man's job and trying to make my foothold. But I didn't give up. Don't give up.